Hello friends, welcome back to in this session. So in this session we are going to understand how we can configure the environment variable in pipeline declarative pipeline syntax, and how we can play with the environment variable which basically defined by the Jenkins itself. So not wasting much time, let's start in our practical session. So right now I'm at my Jenkins, and here we have a configured one project with the name is the pipeline. Let me go through the configuration portion. So here in configuration portion we have created the sample this basic script where I will going to explain all these things. So here we have configured the pipeline, and in this pipeline we created one stage, and out of this one stage we have created the environment variable section. So here we can define the environment variable. We want to make our custom variable here. So let me define the one variable. It's a test1 is my value, and my variable name is environment name. You can create the environment name like prod, QA, and dev. You can create the multiple environment name value here, as many as you want to use. So that's an environment IP. You can configure with your based on required. So we can give here the IP is 1.1.1. So like that you can use the multiple environment variable here. We can also define at a stage level. So here we configure the stage level. You can see the it's a we configure in the script section. So this is the environment variable. It's environment equal to QA. So here the environment variable name is the environment, and here I'm the printing this two variable. That's a environment. This is the this environment, and the second is the environment name. So this is the we created as a global level, and one more we printing the that's a build number. So build number is a global defined by the Jenkins. So this is the default environment list from the Jenkins side. You can see here. So branch name, change ID, change URL. So this variable you can use based on your requirement. And the print env. So basically print env basically will show all the defined variable in your Jenkins. So let's configure this one and let's run this one. Let me run my pipeline here. Okay, so let's see the pipeline output. So here we configure the QA as our variable. Let me show you in another section. Okay, so here we have added the QA. This is the prod. So then we have prod. This build number is 5, and then we have printed the print env. So print env will print all the variable defined by the Jenkins. That's a global environment variable. So you can see the Java URL version, Jenkins home, environment name, and this is the home directory, Q environment which we have defined, workspace, reference, Java version, node name. So this all information variable will be basically printed here. So if you want to use any of this variable in your further section, you can use using with the println. So this will basically print all the variable that's a global variable configured with the Jenkins. So you can configure your custom environment variable. You can use your define the global variable, and basically you can manipulate with this all defined variable with your Jenkins declarative script.